Discover the Chic-Choc, the wood-burning cook stove that combines cozy heat and traditional cooking to enhance your family moments. Equipped with a spacious combustion chamber, a very large oven, and a wide cooking surface, the Chic-Choc is ideal for reheating, cooking, and simmering your favorite dishes. In order to adjust the cooking temperature, the Chic-Choc is equipped with a key that allows you to choose the path by which the gases will circulate. The chimney position directs hot gases directly to the chimney for a controlled start and to focus heat on the cooking surface. The oven position first directs the hot gases around the oven to bring its temperature up, then towards the chimney. Naturally, the cooking surface has different heat zones. Very hot above the combustion chamber, it is milder on the warming corner. At a height of 37 inches, equivalent to a standard kitchen counter, the top of the appliance allows you to cook comfortably. The stainless steel oven, with its 3 rack positions, can accommodate large quantities of food simultaneously. The top position provides more intense heat for quick cooking, ideal for broiling or roasting. The bottom position provides milder heat for slow cooking, ideal for simmering or reheating. Thought for everyday life, the oven has a side opening door to free up space and a removable bottom for easy cleaning. Cooking with a wood-burning appliance is an art that is learned and mastered over time. The key to successful cooking lies in the balance between the wood load, the air supply, and the burn time. The quantity and the size of the logs influence the heat produced for cooking. At equal weight, a large piece of wood will take longer to release its heat than several small pieces. Thus, to obtain a gradual cooking temperature over a longer period, for example, for a stew, the use of large logs is ideal. Conversely, to obtain a rapid and intense cooking temperature, for example, to preheat the appliance for searing meat, using several small logs will be more effective. The air damper, located under the combustion chamber, allows to adjust the intensity of the fire. The more the damper is open, the more intense the heat, allowing higher cooking temperatures to be reached in less time. This is ideal for boiling water or preheating the oven to bake bread. The more the damper is closed, the more the heat is constant, which makes it possible to maintain the cooking temperature over a long period. This is ideal for reheating prepared meals. An intense fire will consume wood fast, so it needs to be checked often to keep temperatures even. The best way to take full advantage of the Chic-Choc is to experiment on your own. It will quickly become your best ally for cooking. Designed for true wood heating enthusiasts, Drolet, a higher heating value since 1960.